In this video, we will review the options you have for using within the dialer to make calls from within the system. You'll start by making an outbound call either by choosing a contact or manually punching in a number. Press the green phone icon and the call will dial. I'm making a test call to myself. So I've now muted the call just for the sake of this video. Here you will see the various options that are available. You can mute the call, open the dialer, put the lead on hold, or do a blind transfer or warm transfer. Let's review each option. If you press mute, you will be muted and the caller on the other end will not be able to hear you. You will still be able to hear them. If you press dial, you can access the dial pad for making selections when prompted, such as press 1 for John Smith, press 2 to reach Sally Jones, or press 3 for the operator, or something along those lines. You can press the hold icon, and this will hold the call so that both you and the caller on the other end will not be able to hear one another. Please note that calls will automatically be placed on hold when a warm transfer is initiated, and we'll get to that in just a moment. But let's start with a blind transfer. A blind transfer is where you transfer the original call to the new caller or number. The call will ring for that initial caller to the added number while the call ends for you. A warm transfer, on the other hand, is more of a live or more personal transfer. After you connect with the original caller, you can then place them on hold and call the person that you wish to transfer the initial call to. Then you can merge those two calls together. In a warm transfer, you can transfer to a user in an account, dial a specific number, or forward. You will also have the same call options for a blind transfer as well. Once you've made any of your selections as needed for your call, of course complete the call as necessary, and then click the red icon here with the phone in order to end the call. The call will now be complete. That's all for now. Thanks.